Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to make TikTok shop video. If you want to know how it's done, this video is for you. So for this right now, I'm at the TikTok shop of my seller center. So you just need to head over in here, and then from in there, you should be able to see and scroll down from in here, and you should see the shoppable videos. So you can see in here some inspirations, just like this right here videos, so you can get inspired using this video, and you can also create content and you should be able to also see the content data. So for us, let's head over and click on this create video right here. And then once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see that we also have in here some products. So let's click on this right here, and then this will help us auto-generate custom videos in just a few minutes. So for example, let's first select this product, then click on continue, and then from in here it will load like this. So the next part right here is to add selling points, which is versatile, comfortable, and stylish. So you can also generate video using that. So click on generate video, and this will auto generate videos for you that should take only around 30 seconds. So make sure to also don't close the tab or leave this page while they generate the video. So you can also create another video that is from you only, but you need to upload that using your phone and not using this TikTok Shop Seller Center. So as you can see, there's some video results that you can choose from. So for example, you can actually choose this one. Then from in here, just put in your file name, and then from in there, you should be able to see this button right here that will help you generate or post this on TikTok. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment down below. I'll try my best to answer. Thanks.